More and more buyers are telling us that they'd love to take on a project.
And we're also hearing that more and more buyers would jump at the chance to live off-grid.
So if that's you, brace yourself.
Because you're in for a treat.
Now this property is only accessible by crossing over half a mile of field tracks, so a 4x4 is definitely essential when you come out to view.
And the postcode won't help you either, so you'll definitely need the Watch 3 Words app to help you find it.
So welcome to a very chilly Throstle Nest farm, a remarkable renovation project set in 3 acres and quite frankly, in the middle of nowhere.
Well, not quite. We are in a unique rural location, but we're only 15 miles north of York, 10 miles off the A1M and 4 miles off the A19.
So the farmhouse itself dates back to the early 1800s, but it is Grade 2 listed.
So you really must Google the pros and cons of buying an historic building before you view. Now this is one of 2 staircases taking you upstairs.
We've got 4 bedrooms, but the configuration is a bit quirky.
It certainly is, and that bathroom's a bit scary.
Now we do have a mystery door that's been wallpapered over. What do you think could be behind it? Tell us in the comments. We may have 6,500 square feet of outbuildings, but as you can see, they're in a very, very poor state of repair.
But the potential to rebuild, repurpose or convert is incredible.
This project certainly isn't for the faint-hearted, but wow, what an incredible place to live.
We absolutely love it, and for more details contact Stephensons in Easingwold.